Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best shower chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Platinum Health Premium Padded Bath and Shower Chair. You do not need to suffer in silence where there is an option that can make your baths more comfortable and secure. This sliding transfer bench will make bathing pleasurable and relax yet still both sturdy and durable. With a 330 pounds weight capacity, you still get to adjust the height, weight, and width of the frame to ensure the shower chair perfectly fits. The frame is made of the most robust aluminum, so it is guaranteed to be strong, lightweight, rust-free. To avoid the chances of slipping, it has rubber tips on the seat that enables it to stay in place while in use. Please also be noted that it is straightforward to clean and that you are missing out on comfort without this shower chair. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vaunn Medical Tool Bath Seat and Tub Bench. This bathroom chair offers a comfortable and safe solution to all who experience problems standing while having a shower. Among its highlights is an ability to drain any water that falls on top of it with included holes. This leads to improved balance and stability of the user. The makers were careful to fit rubber tips on the feet to prevent any slippery from occurring. You are sure to have plenty of room in your shower. This tool takes up a little space due to its compact structure. It is surprisingly capable of withstanding close to 400 pounds of load. The stool cost you a few extra bucks but will make a significant difference in ensuring a healthier shower. At number 3, we have the Medline shower chair with padded armrests. We all tend to be inclined to products that are simple, functional, moderately priced and built to last a lifetime. This shower chair is no different. Firstly, it features holes that drain away any water that lands on it so the user will be sure not to slide out of the chair. The risk of slipping is eliminated by the non-slip rubber feet which firmly hold to your bathtub. The frame is made of aluminum, which is strong and durable. The seat is also rust-proof, an especially important feature as it is intended for wet bathroom conditions. Don't be mistaken by the compact construction. This capable seat can accommodate up to 350 pounds of weight. It is perfect in giving efficient assistance during showering the elderly and the physically challenged. At number 2, we have the Medokare shower stool with padded seat. This shower chair will take the strains out of your regular baths. The comfort and convenience you get with this pick are simply unmatched. To begin with, it is padded for added comfort. The detachable bath stool has an anti-slip surface and drainage holes which provide maximum support and stability for the user. Its slip-resistant rubber safety leg tips also ensure maximum safety in the bathroom. Thanks to its precise nature with a broad base, this pick is ideal for small tubs yet capable of holding up to 280 pounds. Installation and using this shower chair is a cinch. It's been made such that no tools are required to assemble it. It's another decent design that will not just keep you comfortable but as well add styles to your bathroom. And finally at number 1, we have the Vaunn Medical Tool Free Assembly Spa Bathtub Shower Lift Chair. If the unusual shape of this shower seat got you here, be comforted for it serves just right. The polyethylene material used to make the non-slip seat is beautifully curved to provide better balance and greater comfort. As small as it appears, it has an impressive carrying capacity of 300 pounds courtesy of the heavy-duty anodized aluminum frame which is also super light. You will love the detachable back and adjustable design that lets you store and carry the chair comfortably. We would recommend this bathroom chair to buyers looking for a new model or those want to have an upgrade.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.